Hi everybody, here's another screencast, this one on how to actually start your infographic. So I'm going to click on, there's free templates here, and this says use template or preview, so you can look at it, or you can choose to use these templates that are already set up, or you can create a new infographic. I'm going to click here because the first thing that I want to show you is down in the corner, it's just off the edge of my recording screen, but this little icon in the corner is called Tour. And it's actually very helpful because beyond what I do with you, you can see, it's just visual, but you see here they take you through a screenshot on how to add icon or text, which is what they're doing right now, icon, and now they're adding text, and how to edit that text and how to move it around. You can also add photos. You can add blocks. Infographics are organized in big blocks, usually of color and information and images. This is a very neat one about how to mask objects. I'll click on that in a moment. You can change the background and how to save and export, which means how to get your work out of the website. So for the add photos one, I wanted to show you this because you're able to upload your own images. Because this project is quite personal, a little bit about you, it's mostly just about your home country. You may want to choose to use your own images. So you'll be able to do that. You just upload them and then you can put them actually into your infographic. And then in this element is also neat. So with those photos, you can choose what sort of shape you want to display. So I love this. And they choose the circle shape and the size, and then they mask it into that circle shape. Again, it just makes you able to do some neat things with visuals. Blocks, like I said, every infographic is organized into chunks or blocks. So this just shows you how you're able to do that. Insert more blocks. You can edit and change your background color and your background if you want graphics in your background. This little tutorial shows you, and then again how to save and export. So for now, I'm going to go back into infographic. This menu along the side here is all of the sort of elements of your infographic. And then the menu that comes across here is generally how to edit those elements. So if I want to start with a photo, I'm just doing this as an example. I would probably actually use my own photo, but I'll use this as an example. I can pull it in the infographic. You can do all sorts of things and play around with how you want to edit your photos, how you want to use them. If I wanted this, for example, to be part of my background, I might make it a little bit more transparent. So if I put words over top, you could see them more clearly. Anyhow, it's up to you to choose how you want to display your work. And we will be using these likely again in the future. So this was just a good opportunity to do one about your home country. So we learn a little bit more about each other, but also just to practice using the program and all the different features. I would now like to say that I think you're ready to get started and play around in the program on your own. So good luck.